corrosion levels are critical. This whole section needs to be condemned immediately.
Take a look at this section right here.
The readings confirm high degradation in that area. We'll start with the top flange bolts, then move to the side panels. Watch for the pressure release.
It worked! We did it! Look at that pressure!